Selecting an advertising channel is a strict strategic calculation, never an arbitrary guess. To ensure maximum campaign effectiveness, media planners rely on strategic frameworks, like that of Dipankar Mukherjee, which demand the systematic evaluation of 12 specific determinants. Only by integrating these factors into a carefully calibrated media mix can an advertiser prevent wasted spending and maximize their return on investment. The physical characteristics of a product dictate its initial placement. Mass consumer goods, like packaged food, demand high-reach television and national print. Conversely, highly specialized products require precision targeting through industry magazines or direct digital campaigns. The distribution model further narrows these options. An online retailer will prioritize digital platforms with direct purchase links, while a brand relying on regional storefronts will favor local broadcast and localized digital ads. If a planner fails to align the medium with the target audience's size, product literacy, and the physical distribution chain, they will inevitably pay to reach non-prospects, resulting in severe ad wastage. Campaign urgency directly restricts the available format. A weekend clearance event requires media with rapid lead times, such as daily newspapers or instant digital placements, rendering monthly magazines useless. Complex, information-heavy messages demand formats that allow for prolonged attention and reading, whereas side-by-side product comparisons necessitate the demonstration power of video. Planners must also account for media perception. Channels inherently project distinct tones. Traditional print connotes authority and trust, while glowing neon outdoor signage projects an undeniable nightlife and lifestyle energy. Placing an advertisement in a medium with an incompatible timeline or a clashing public perception will actively damage brand equity and campaign efficacy, regardless of how many people see it. In practice, ideal theoretical choices are often blocked by market logistics. Competitors frequently monopolize premium physical advertising spaces to lock in market share and visibility. These constraints multiply during major seasonal and festive events, where intense competition completely drains the availability of prime broadcast slots and high-traffic locations. When premium inventory is secured by rivals, planners must expertly navigate the physical geographic limits of alternative print and the algorithmic boundaries of secondary digital channels to maintain market visibility. Ultimately, every media plan is constrained by available capital, but evaluating platforms strictly by their total upfront cost often misleads planners. Compare newspaper A at $1,000 for 1,000 readers to magazine B at $100 for 50 readers. Cost per exposure reveals newspaper A is $1 per reader, magazine B is $2. Newspaper A is mathematically superior. There is no single, perfect channel in advertising. Planners must stop searching for one. Instead, by systematically evaluating all 12 determinants, from a buyer's product literacy to the calculated cost per reader, planners construct a balanced media mix. This is the required method to maximize audience reach, protect brand alignment, and secure a high return on investment.